Hey, it's Sue Gleiter with PennLive, and I am at McDonald's on Eisenhower Boulevard, where they now have kiosk ordering, and I am going to check it out. Let's go on in the store and see what's going on.
I am ready to order. I think I'm going to get an Egg McMuffin with coffee. Let's get started. So the kiosk ordering actually allows you to customize your order. So I get to add American cheese, an extra egg, or Canadian bacon. So I'm going to order Canadian bacon. Now on to choosing my coffee. I have a lot of selections here. I can order hot chocolate, iced coffee, but I'm going to go with standard hot coffee. Now it's time to finish up the order, and I can pay right here with my credit card.
I'll serve it. Order one.
So was my order a success? Well, the Egg McMuffin came with Canadian bacon, and I have my small coffee. I would say the ordering was just as simple though as going up to the counter. If it's really busy though, it makes sense to hit the kiosk.